Okay, another unboxing day. I've been looking forward to this one. So, this came out of Florida, used. Look at more peanuts. Look at all. And what do we have here? Ooh, baby. You know who that's from. So this is my first. Ooh. Even comes with some pics. Thank you, Lawrence. So, I actually got this used. But it looks like it's pretty much new in the package. I don't know how well that's focusing, but we got the 74. Because, you know, of course I'm an old guy, so when I was a teenager it was the 70s. That was the stuff I was exposed to. So very cool. And I should probably open this up, see who Lawrence made it for. Let's have a look. So, if you don't know who LPD is, that's Lawrence Petros Designs. And he makes really nice pedals. And he makes them by hand. And usually, from what I've seen, he writes inside of it who it's for. So we should be able to determine who the original owner was. And I'm guessing this has been on a pedal board because they don't come with Velcro on them. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So it's from 2022. It's a 74 Limited. And I don't know, Lawrence, you'll have to tell me what that handwriting says, because I sure as hell can't read it. But, nice. And a look at the insides. For those of you nerds who want to see in there. Looks good. Alright, we'll put this back together and plug it in and give it a go. See how it sounds.